Let's get it collected. Let's see what the T is. Whoa, okay. This involves a pregnancy. This involves a private jet. Okay, Sunday could be significant. Sunday is the day of growth, power, healing, happiness, removing barriers, empowerment, success. Ruled by the sun, Apollo, soul. Ruled by the soul. Clarify, this involves a pregnancy and a private jet. This involves positive STD results. Now, if you watched that video where I said the first week is bringing positive STD results, it's bringing positive pregnancy tests. This involves someone stealing from work. Green energy, possibly to bring some green energy into their life. Growth, change.